Hello students, today we are going to study oxygen cycle. You know that oxygen is present 21% in the atmosphere. 21% of atmosphere is filled up by oxygen. Oxygen is present in the hydrosphere in the form of H2O. वाटर का कंपोनेंट है ना ऑक्सीजन, यानी वो लिथोस हाइड्रोस्फीयर में भी है. एंड ऑक्सीजन इज प्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म इन द लिथोस्फीयर ऑल्सो. लिथोस्फीयर में वो कार्बोनेट CaCO3 कार्बोनेट के स्वरूप में है एंड अदर इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड इसके स्वरूप में इट इज़ प्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड इन द लिथोस्फीयर. This is the oxygen cycle. You can see plant produce oxygen which is released in the atmosphere. Then animal use this oxygen for the respiration. In the respiration they break down the sugar molecules with the help of oxygen. Combustion of sugar occur in the mitochondria in the cell and carbon dioxide is released and oxygen is used for the combustion. Energy is generated in the respiration and in this process carbon dioxide is released. That carbon dioxide is again utilized by the plant. Plant absorb the carbon dioxide and produce their food. In this photosynthesis process oxygen is again released in the atmosphere. Oxygen in the oxygen cycle, this way biotic and abiotic compounds, biotic and abiotic components are engaged. Oxygen is also continuously transferred from biotic to abiotic and abiotic to biotic component. Oxygen is present in the atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere, that is the abiotic components, and oxygen is present in the plants and utilized by the animals for respiration as well as plant for the respiration, that is the biotic components. Oxygen is highly react with another elements and forms its compounds. For example, oxygen react with all elements to form its oxides. Oxygen is found in the nature in various compounds, like the compounds of elements, that is oxides of the elements, all the elements oxides, then water H2, then carbon dioxide, and free in the form of O2 molecules, diatomic molecule, no? So O2 molecule, and some inorganic compound also contain oxygen. Inorganic compound means suppose AgNO3 is inorganic compound, NO3 group contain oxygen. Calcium carbonate CaCO3, CO3 group contain oxygen. This way oxygen cycle is extremely complicated, but oxygen is mainly used for the combustion, respiration, decomposition, corrosion and rusting. Oxygen is used for respiration by plants and animals. All kinds of combustion, यानी ज्वलन, burning process ला ऑक्सिजन लागतो. Decomposition process occur by the microorganism, for that oxygen is needed. Corrosion and rusting यानी जंग लगना, ये प्रोसेस जो है मेटल्स का corrosion, उसमें भी ऑक्सीजन इज यूटिलाइज्ड. in 8th standard you studied that in presence of air, yani oxygen, in presence of oxygen and moisture, metal get corrode, rusted. This way oxygen is cycled by these processes: respiration, combustion, decomposition, corrosion and rusting. Most microorganisms are use oxygen for their respiration. They are known as aerobic microorganisms. But some microorganisms, they do not need oxygen for their respiration. That respiration is known as anaerobic respiration. Oxygen is also used for the production of ozone, O3. From oxygen, ozone is produced by various atmospheric processes. Okay. This way, continuously oxygen cycle is going on in the nature. Plants, they are producing oxygen in the photosynthesis process and release in the atmosphere. Animals and even plants also use it for the respiration. Animals, with the help of oxygen, they break down the sugar molecules and produce energy and release carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is again used by the plant in the photosynthesis process, and again in the photosynthesis plants will release the oxygen. This process is continuously going on in the nature.